Hello everyone, welcome back to your own channel Study with Alka Kandwal. I can speak English, Hindi, Nepali, Assamese and Garhwali, so you can connect with me in any of the languages mentioned. I hope all of you are great and are very positive and preparing well for your exam. Those who are new to the channel, I would like to give a brief introduction about myself. The channel is an educational channel, Study with Alka Kandwal, wherein our focus is PGT and TGT computer science. And we will be taking up all the syllabus of grade 11 and 12 computer science. And then computer as a subject for all the competitive exams. We all know that computer is a very important part in all the competitive exams right now, like either be banking, SSC, all the exam has this computer section. So for that also a separate playlist is dedicated, and if you go through the playlist, I assure you that you will get full marks in that particular section. So don't be worried कि computer में क्या होगा, computer में सब कुछ अच्छा होगा. And then there is a mathematics section wherein we are taking up the topics of grade 8 to 10 C.B.S.E as well as Icse. So today we are taking a very interesting and a very useful topic which is important for all those friends of mine who are preparing for various competitive exams as well. That is on comparing quantities. On this topic, it is like it includes various topics like ratio, percentage, and what is the percentage change, how do we calculate the profit loss, how do we calculate the discount, the tax. So these things we will be discussing, and after this we will be taking up simple interest and compound interest. So these are the 5 topics of main concern. Okay, so let us start with today's topic. So here we see what is the very important part. So let us start with ratio. So when we talk about ratio मतलब क्या है? हम सुनते हैं ratio है. क्या है ratio? Ratio means a comparison of two quantities when we are comparing two quantities. Okay, so ratio में जब हम लोग बात करते हैं, जब भी कंपैरिजन होगा तो ऐसे जो यूनिट है वो सेम होना चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं है कि मैं 1 kg एप्पल एंड आई एम comparing 1 kg apple with 1 dozen of banana. So the units has to be the same. Okay, so when we are talking we talk about the ratio of the girls to the ratio of the boys in the school is 2:3. Is it not? We talk about ratios whenever we are comparing the quantities which are of same type. I'm again and again saying emphasizing on same type because same type का होना जरूरी है. तो जो हम लोग फ्रैक्शन में जब हम बात करते हैं तो जो ऊपर का वैल्यू है हम बोलते हैं कि वो न्यूमरेटर है, नीचे को वैल्यू को हम क्या बोलते हैं? इट इज अ डिनोमिनेटर. सो इन रेशियो दिस इज द एंटीसीडेंट, okay, and this is the consequent. This is the consequent. Yes, so that is the very important thing which you all have to know. And then moving ahead, what do we do? Let us move ahead with percentage. How do we define percentage? Percentage को कैसे define करें? बता. It is a fraction. We can say that it is a fraction wherein the denominator is always 100. Fraction in which the denominator is always 100. Okay, so for example, I tell you all x%. That is nothing but x by 100. For example, I say 20%. So what will you do? The denominator is 100, 20 by 100. So this is 0 cancel, or 2 by 10 we can write it as 0.2. Is it not? So fraction wherein the denominator is always 100 is known as the percentage. Is it fine? Moving ahead, let us see one important thing, that we can convert ratios into percentage. Ratio to percentage conversion is possible, and also the conversion of percentage to ratio is also possible. ठीक है, दोनों पॉसिबल है, दोनों ही पॉसिबल है, परसेंटेज टू रेशियो भी. अब रेशियो ले लो, रेशियो क्या ले लें? 3:4 ले लें. अब क्वेश्चन आ गया कि इसको कन्वर्ट कर दो परसेंटेज में, तो हम क्या करेंगे? 3/4 and multiply it with 100. Yes, so here we go. 4 2s are 8, 5, 25 3s are, yes, 75%. So we have converted the ratio. So we write the ratio, multiply it with 100%. Now, for example, a percentage is given 8%, and we need to convert it into ratio. तो 8 by 100 लिख देंगे. तो 4 2s are 8 and 4 2 4 5. So the ratio is 2:25. Is it fine? Does it make sense? तो ये है हमारा conversion from ratio to percentage and percentage to ratio. So ratio to percentage, we are taking the fractional form, multiplying it with 100, and percentage to ratio में divide by 100, तो denominator में 100 हो जाएगा. So this much is clear to everyone? All okay? Are we ready to move ahead? So I'm giving you all a question. So that is a very, very, very easy question. So let us see how do we go ahead with the solution of it. So let us start with the question. Now, if I tell you that there are 25 children in the class and 72% of the 25 children in the class are interested in maths. They like maths. Okay. So that is very nice, है ना? The 72% को तो अच्छा लगता है. They are interested in mathematics. Okay. So the question is, how many children are not interested? How many are not interested? Not interested. So tell me, what about you all? Are you all interested or not? Yes, do comment in the chat box. ठीक है? So solution, let us see. अगर 72% क्या है, इंटरेस्टेड हैं, तो टोटल क्या होगा, 100%. तो अगर 72% इंटरेस्टेड हैं, तो इसका मतलब है कि 28% इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है. What do you say? Do you agree to me or not in this? That अगर 72% को अच्छा लगता है मैथ्स, तो 28% को नहीं लगेगा, क्योंकि क्लास 100% है टोटल. तो अगर टोटल कितने स्टूडेंट्स है, 25. सो इफ आई कैलकुलेट 28% ऑफ 25, so 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, 4 sevens are 28. तो 7 स्टूडेंट्स ऐसे हैं जिनको इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. दे आर नॉट एट ऑल इंटरेस्टेड इन मैथ्स. इफ आप लोग ऐसे भी कर सकते थे, जैसे इंटरेस्टेड की वैल्यू निकाल लेते, द नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन हु आर इंटरेस्टेड. सो यू विल डू 72% ऑफ 25. 25 fours 100, and then tell me 4 8. is it not 18 fours 72. फिर हम लोग 25 माइनस 18 कर देते तो 7 आ जाएगा कि 18 तो इंटरेस्टेड है. 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 तो 7 है. अगर हम लोग इस मेथड से भी करें तो हमने 72% ऑफ 25 निकाला. सो दीज मेनी चिल्ड्रन आर इंटरेस्टेड इन मैथ्स. नाउ जो इंटरेस्टेड नहीं है, तो टोटल तो 25 है, माइनस 18 करेंगे तो 7 आ गया. या तो डायरेक्ट कर लो यहाँ से कि 72 प्लस 28 दैट गिव्स यू 100%. तो 28% ऑफ 25 डायरेक्टली हमने निकाला. तो दीज मेनी चिल्ड्रन आर नॉट इंटरेस्टेड इन मैथ्स. वाज दैट इजी? सो जस्ट अप्लाई. ये ऐसा टॉपिक है कि दैट इज वेरी यूजफुल इन अवर डेली लाइफ ऑल्सो, एंड इट्स वेरी इजी. ठीक है, जस्ट थिंक लॉजिकली एंड वी कैन इजिली डिराइव द solution. So there is one more type of question which is asked, and if I tell you 0.5% of A is equal to 3, so what will be the value of A? क्या होगा? तो जब हमारा ऐसा क्वेश्चन आएगा तो हम लिखेंगे 0.5 by 100 ऑफ मतलब मल्टीप्लाई A is equal to 3. तो अगर मुझे ये डेसिमल हटाना है तो मैं इसको 5 by 10 लिख सकती हूँ. अगर मैंने 5 by 10 लिखा और डिनोमिनेटर में ऑलरेडी 100 है, तो 100 into 10 कितना हो जाएगा, 1000 into A is equal to 3. So A gives you 3 into 1000. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई होता है, डू यू नो दैट? और ये जो यहाँ पे है वो नीचे आ जाएगा. यहाँ पे 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 0 0. So we are having A value as 600. So that is the answer. Does it make sense to all of you? Does it make sense कि जब हमको ऑफ बोला है तो हमने मल्टीप्लाई लगा दिया. 0.5 है, इसका मतलब 5 by 10 है. तो ये छोटी छोटी चीजें जो सिंप्लीफाई कर देते हैं हमारी मैथ्स के प्रोसेस को. इट मेक्स इट वेरी easy to understand. Now let us solve another question and let us do about percentage change. कभी आता है ना कि इसकी वैल्यू इतने से इतनी हो गई तो कितनी परसेंटेज चेंज हुई. तो लेट अस डू द फॉर्मूला. सो वी टॉक अबाउट द परसेंटेज चेंज फॉर्मूला, दैट इज अमाउंट ऑफ चेंज बाय द इनिशियल वैल्यू. जो इनिशियल वैल्यू है, इनिशियल वैल्यू into 100%. So this is how we calculate. Amount of change increase भी हो सकता है, decrease भी हो सकता है. Yes, for example, you get a question like there is an article and उसका price 100 rupees था. तो ये initial value है और उसका price after some time it increased to rupees 150. Yes, ये price का तो you can relate ना, nowadays you can relate to the price कि increase होती रहती है तो हम लोग ये रिलेट कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट केम टू माय माइंड. सो एक आर्टिकल है उसका प्राइस 100 रुपीज था, अब 150 हो गया. सो इफ वी आर सेड दैट व्हाट इज द परसेंटेज चेंज, सो अमाउंट ऑफ चेंज मतलब 150 माइनस 100 by the initial value. Always the change is calculated on the इनिशियल वैल्यू. जो पहले की वैल्यू है वही डिनोमिनेटर में आएगी. सो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल अबाउट इट. 100%. So we are having 100 cancel and 150 minus 100, that is 50. So the percentage change is 50%. So sometimes you must have seen ki there is a 250% increase in the price, 300% increase. तो हमको लगता है कि परसेंटेज तो 100 से नीचे होनी चाहिए. ये आंसर कैसे आ गया कि 250% इंक्रीज, 350 ऐसे बोल रहे हैं? क्योंकि हमेशा याद रखना कि जब परसेंटेज चेंज है तो जब हम वो कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं तो वो 100 से ज्यादा आ सकता है. जैसे मैंने अभी एग्जांपल दिया, इन अ क्लास देयर वर इंटरेस्टेड, सम ऑफ देम वर इंटरेस्टेड and some of them were not interested, तो total 100% ही होगा. But when we are calculating the percentage change, तब हमारा आंसर 100 से ऊपर आ सकता है. So the percentage is always less than 100, but percentage change can be more than 100. ठीक है? Many of the children that they get confused. For example, I tell you rupees 100 है, ठीक है, 1000 है, and the price increased to 5000. And let us calculate the change. 5000 minus 1000 by the initial price into 100%. Yes, let us see. So 5000 minus 1000 कितना आ जाएगा? 4000. 4000 by 1000 into 100%. So here we go. 0 0 gone, 0 0 gone, 0 0 gone. तो कितना आंसर आया? 400% change in the increase in the price. So here we go. Are you understanding the logic behind it? सो ये है एक इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. अब मैं आप लोगों को फिर से क्वेश्चन दे रही हूँ. सो बी रेडी विद ऑल द एंथुसियाज्म. और जिसने अभी तक लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है जल्दी से जाके सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और डोंट फॉरगेट टू क्लिक ऑन दैट बेल नोटिफिकेशन. यस, सो हियर आई गिव यू अ क्वेश्चन. There was a man, he was very happy because he got a 10% increase in his salary. Okay, 10% increment mila, so he was a very happy. He was very happy that day. ठीक है, got a 10% increase in his salary. अब जो उसकी नई सैलरी है, if his new salary is rupees 1,54,000, इतने हैं उसकी सैलरी, तो इसकी ओरिजिनल सैलरी क्या थी? अब बताओ आप लोग अब क्या करोगे? फाइंड द ओरिजिनल सैलरी. So the question says, let us read the question again. A man gets a 10% increase in the salary. Fine. So if his new salary is given, find the original salary. So let us take the original salary to be X. Okay, let us take the original salary to be rupees X. And there is a 10% increase, means X plus 10. So whatever is given, मतलब x प्लस 10% ऑफ x इंक्रीज हुआ और उसकी वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? 1,54,000. मतलब x था, x में 10% इंक्रीज हुआ, तो 10% ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू 1,54,000. तो टेक आउट द एलसीएम 100. सो 100 इज 100 इंटू x, 100x आ जाएगा प्लस 10x आ जाएगा इज इक्वल टू 1,54,000. So here we go. 100 plus 10 is 110x. By 100 is equal to 1,54,000. And here you go with the calculation. Come on, जल्दी से cross multiply कर लो. 1,54,000 multiplied by 100 by 110. So 0 0 gone and 11 ones are 11. 14,000 यहाँ आया. 14,000 into 10 मतलब initial salary थी 1,40,000. So that is the answer. So the person's salary was 1,40,000. After getting an increment of 10%, his salary became 1,54,000. Is it clear? So moving ahead, let us do the last question of the day and then we meet again for the quickly. I mean soon. ज़्यादा time नहीं लेना पड़ेगा. To understand profit loss discount वो भी लेना है. तो अभी फिलहाल ये कर लेते हैं. The price of the motorcycle, okay, bike was rupees 34,000. ठीक है. And it has increased by 20% this year. 20% increase हुआ है प्राइस में. 20% increase हुआ है. So what will be the price of the bike now? Tell me, very easy है ना कि उसका प्राइस कितना था. 34,000 था और उसके प्राइस में कितना इंक्रीज हुआ. 20%. 20% ऑफ 34,000. बस. तो 0 0 यू नो नो यू विल डू द मल्टीप्लीकेशन फर्स्ट. पहले प्लस मत कर देना, पहले ये मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So we will be having 34,000 plus 34 into 2, 68. 6,800 है ना. Yes, 6,800. And then just add them up and you get the answer. So that is the new price. Is it fine? 34,000. So do it. 40800 will be the answer, right? 40800 हो जाएगा answer. 6800008 10. So that is the price of new bike after 20% rise in the price. So this much for today's session. Because I can take the section of this profit loss, but it will be then it all will be jumbled up ना. तो नेक्स्ट सेशन में कर लेंगे प्रॉफिट लॉस डिस्काउंट, फिर हम सेल्स टैक्स ले लेंगे and then we do the simple interest and compound interest. So all of you stay tuned. If you have not yet liked, shared and subscribed, make sure you are liking it, sharing it and subscribing the channel. So everyone take care of yourself. God bless you all. Thank you everyone.